If you are in need of a roof replacement near Buffalo, New York, you may be wondering who to hire. There are several companies in the area that you can choose from, including O'Connor Contracting. These contractors are full-service companies with seasoned technicians who work on new construction and remodeling projects. Their technicians can also perform siding, gutter, skylight, and fascia installations. Their services extend throughout Western New York. Listed below are the 5 best roofing companies near Buffalo, New York. Dalux Roofing for affordable, high-quality roof replacement near Buffalo. Contact Dalux Roofing. This company is a Buffalo, New York roofing company with over 20 years of experience. They specialize in Grade A certified roofing systems and offer services for both residential and commercial buildings. They offer free estimates, and they install, repair, and maintain roofs. The company has state-of-the-art snow removal tools. You can also contact them for 24-hour emergency service. Dalux Roofing is a local, Buffalo roofing service with over 5,000 satisfied customers. They offer quality roof replacements and repair services for residential and commercial buildings. They use quality materials and follow best practices in roof installation. They offer free consultations and exclusive warranties and guarantees, as well. You'll be glad you chose Dalux Roofing. Contact them today to schedule a consultation. We serve the communities of Amherst, Kenmore, and West Seneca. Turkmasters Roofing LLC for complete roof replacement near Buffalo. Contact Turkmasters Roofing LLC. We provide a full range of home improvement services, including new roofs, roof replacement, siding, and chimney repair. With our decades of experience, we'll make sure your home is in good hands. Contact us today to learn more about our full-service packages. Read on to learn more about the roofing services we offer. Our family-owned business specializes in full roofing systems, including residential and commercial roofs. Our technicians install different roofing systems, including shingles, EPDM, and energy-efficient roofing. Our team can also handle your home siding and gutters. We offer annual maintenance plans, as well, to help ensure your roof is in excellent condition. Turkmasters Roofing LLC has been a member of the Better Business Bureau since 2008, which means we're highly recommended. Solom's Roofing Siding for more than 30 years. Solom's Roofing specializes in commercial roofing, siding, windows, gutters, and sheet metal work. With the Buffalo community as their base of operations, Solom's is an excellent choice for roof replacement near Buffalo, New York. Their work has been recognized as exceptional, and their use of quality materials is second to none. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.